Good morning, children. So let's start with our grammar work today, and the topic is adjectives. So open page number 35 of your grammar book. So children, we know what adjectives are. What are adjectives? They are describing words. Adjectives, they tell us what kind of a person, place, animal or thing is, or how many are there, or we can say what color they are, etc. Okay, so they describe the nouns, or we can say they tell us more about the nouns. Like sentence one is Gopi is an old man. Now the word old tells us what kind of man Gopi is. So Gopi is an old man. Okay. Now similarly, that is a black dog. Now here the word black is telling us more about the noun dog. So black is what? Black is the describing word, or we can say black is the adjective. Then Geeta has 3 pencils. Now here the word 3 tells us how many pencils Geeta has. So Geeta has 3 pencils. So the word 3 tells us how many pencils Geeta has. Okay. So words like old, black, 3, they all are describing words, and describing words are called what? They are called adjectives. Now children, adjectives are placed before the nouns they describe. Okay, like here the word old is describing the noun man, and it is placed before the noun. Okay, but sometimes they are also placed after the nouns that they describe. Like here, John is tall. Now what kind of a boy is John? Tall. Okay, but here the word tall is coming after the noun John. Okay, so adjectives can be placed after the nouns also that they describe. Similarly, the sky is blue. Here also the adjective blue is placed after the noun sky. And then we have the sentence honey is sweet. So the word sweet is describing honey. So the word sweet is describing honey. And we can see that it is placed after the noun it is describing. Now sweet is describing honey, and it is placed after the noun. So adjectives can be placed before the nouns they describe, and they can also be placed after the noun that they describe. So let's look at the definition of adjectives once again. Adjectives tell us what kind of, how many, what color, etc. persons, places, animals and things are. Now open page number 36 of your book. Some exercises are given here. Let's have a look at the exercises. Exercise C. First is, now what do you have to do in the exercises? You have to underline the adjectives in these sentences. First sentence is, the Rajdhani Express is a fast train. Now, the word fast is describing the noun train. So, fast is an adjective in this sentence. Second, Mangal Pandey was a brave soldier. Now, what kind of a soldier was Mangal Pandey? He was a brave soldier. So, brave is describing the word soldier. Therefore, it is an adjective. Next, Haridwar is a holy city. Now, what kind of a city is Haridwar? Holy. Okay, so the word holy is describing the city Haridwar. So, holy is what? It's an adjective. Next, the ant is a tiny insect. Now, what kind of an insect is an ant? Tiny. Okay, so tiny is what? Tiny is an adjective. Next, the street was narrow. Now, what kind of a street was it? narrow. So narrow is an adjective here. Next, the fox is a cunning animal. What kind of an animal is fox? Cunning, right? So cunning is what? Cunning is an adjective. Always drink pure water. What kind of water should we drink? Pure. So the word pure here is what? It is an adjective. A year has 12 months. How many months? 12. So the word 12 is what? It's an adjective. Next, the class was very quiet. The class was very quiet. What kind of a class was it? Quiet. So the word quiet is an adjective here. Next, the sun is made up of hot gases. What kind of gases is sun made of? Hot. So the word hot is what? Hot is an adjective. Now the rest 5 you will do on your own. Exercise D. Put a noun after each of these adjectives. So some adjectives are some adjectives are given here, and what you have to do is you have to put a noun after these adjectives. So first is a muddy. Now what can be muddy? We can say puddle. A muddy puddle. Okay. Next, the round. What? Now what can be round? We can say table. So let's write table. Next, a torn dash. We can say shirt. Okay, so a torn shirt. A tame dash. So we can say animal. A tame animal. Tame means what? Now a tame animal here would mean what? Meaning not afraid of people. A shy dash. We can say girl. So a shy girl. A tidy. Room can be tidy. So we can write room. Next, sour grapes. A cloudy day. A straight dash. We can say lion. An amusing dash. We can say person. Amusing means what? It means someone or something who can cause you to laugh or smile. Exercise E. Write adjectives to describe these persons. First is a person who does not like to do any work. So he'll be called lazy. Second, a person who is always doing one thing or other. So what will we write here? We'll call such a person busy. Next, a person who does not talk politely. So he will be called what? Rude. R-U-D-E, rude. So a person who does not talk politely is rude. A person who does not tell lies. He'll be called honest. Next, a person who is always ready to help others. He'll be called helpful. Next, a person who does not spend money easily. He'll be called, such a person will be called miserly. Next, a person who is liked by many. Such a person is called popular. A person who is not afraid of anything. Fearless. A person who easily mixes up with others. Friendly. Last, a person who is in the habit of praising himself or herself. Such a person is called boastful. Now, exercise F is a puzzle. You can do it on your own. It's very interesting. Okay? And all the words that you will fill in the puzzle, they will be adjectives. So, exercise F is your homework. Do it in the book. That's all for today. Thank you.